A month ago, two fishermen had found an old silver casket in the South China Sea. When they opened it, they discovered an old skeleton in it.
The coffin's gone. The skeleton's gone.
I'm almost certain that that missing skeleton is that fearsome, legendary vampire.
How can that be?
I hate all human being, and especially police.
Fight like a man.
They destroy my life, and now I have nothing. Who the hell are you?
You don't need to know who I am. You either live or die.
Do you know who he is?
Có giờ chỉ cả khi có tụ khen cho cụ lò, thời gian cụ bỏ có luôn chơi mua, ý mua bỏ tàu.
It doesn't matter. He's a vampire.
Cô tao các cậu tiện là đâu. Cô yên toàn thì chỉ bỏ cơ li. Ý cô thấy đó một chỗ cô cho xe. Một thời đồ thiên nào. Cô yên thì chỉ bỏ cơ ý à.
All what I want, it's revenge. And it turned the whole world into our world. The world of vampire.